Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and audio device. First, make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS so Live Listen's fixes are available. Once updated, pair your AirPods or an MFI hearing device via Bluetooth. Then, add the hearing control in Control Center so you can access Live Listen quickly. You're starting the process now because Live Listen requires a paired audio device and the Control Center shortcut to function. This avoids delays and ensures the feature appears where expected. Next, enable Live Listen and perform a controlled test. Open Control Center, tap the hearing icon, and toggle Live Listen on. This routes the iPhone microphone to your paired device. Place the iPhone mic toward the sound source and adjust the volume on your AirPods or hearing device. This alters gain and clarity. Once done, listen for latency or distortion. If audio is thin, move the phone closer to the source and reduce background noise to isolate the signal and improve intelligibility. To finish, solidify settings and apply one key troubleshooting tip if Live Listen misbehaves. Confirm the feature stays enabled, then restart your iPhone and, if necessary, unpair and repair the Bluetooth device to refresh the connection. If intermittent audio continues, reset network settings as a deeper fix. Make sure you back up passwords first. Most importantly, check device firmware and battery. Low battery or outdated firmware often causes dropouts. If problems persist, repeat pairing and test in a quiet environment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.